students, how are you all? Hope you are missing your school, your classmates, and of course your teacher. Anyways, hope to see you all soon. So students, before starting the session, I want to ask you one question. That are you practicing the mathematics question? Are you practicing? Yes, I know that you all are practicing. So students, in today's session, we are going to revise some previous concepts. And the first one is number system. So students, I am writing 1. So student, it is a number of how many digits? How many digits are there in this number? Yeah, I heard it correctly. Somebody say 4 digit. So student, clap for yourself. Yes, the answer is a 4 digit. So how you calculate that it is a 4 digit number? Okay, how? 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes, it is a 4 digit number. So students, if I want to pronounce it, so how are you able to pronounce it? For that we need a number system. And how many types of number system we are having in mathematics? Yes, you are correct. We are having 2 types of number system. The first one is Indian number system and the second one is international number system. In grade 3, we are going to study only Indian number system. So students, in Indian number system, we are going to assign the place value of a particular digit. And from where we are going to assign? From the left side or right side? Again, you are correct, from right side. Okay students? So this is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay students? Now how you going to pronounce it? Just look at the number and on the top look at the place values. So this is 1679. 1679. So we can say that this is a number name of this number. This is the number name of this number. And I hope you able to write any number name of any number. Yes students? Okay. Now after that, the topic which come is, I am changing the number also. Okay. Now the number is 3725 and you have to find out the place value. The second thing is place value. Okay. Now students, the question will come that you have to find out the place value of a particular digit. For example, suppose I have to find out the place value of digit 7. So what is the place value? For that, firstly you need to assign the place value. Okay. And from where we start? Yes, again you are right, from right side. Okay. Ones, tens, 100,000. And to find out the place value, just underline that digit and look at the top. 700s. I am just writing 700s. And students, how many 0 we put when hundreds will come? How many 0? 2 0. So the answer is 700. What is 700? The place value of 7. The place value of 7 is 700. Like we put 2 0 in 100, same, when if the tens will come, how many 0 we put? 1 0. If 1000 will come, how many 0 we put? 3 0. Okay students? Now the other is, the place value is done. The second one is face value. Okay student, in face value, whenever you have to find out the face value, like the face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 2 is 2. The face value of 7 is 7. And the face value of 3 is 3. So face value of a number is number itself. Now the next is to find the successor and predecessor. Student, successor means you are moving one step ahead. Success. So to find the successor of a number, you have to add 1. For example, suppose you have to find the successor of 299. Okay, so to find the successor, we have to add 1 to the number. Okay, I am adding 1. Now, in addition, it is very important to place the value correctly in the respective column. And for that, we need to assign the, yes, you are correct. For that, we need to assign the place values. Okay, now what is the place value in this number? Ones, tens, 100. Done. Okay, now what is the second number? Only 1. So it is only ones because only one digit is there, no? So for addition, simply write this and just in the particular column write the digit. Like the first number is 299. So 9 is at ones place, again 9 is at tens place and 2 is at hundreds place. First one is done. Okay, now the second number is 1. So in which column I place 1? In ones column or in tens column or in hundreds column? Again you are right because it is ones, no? So we have to place it in ones column. Simply add 9 and 1, 10, 0, carry 1, 9 and 1, 10, 0, carry 1, 2 and 1, 3. So students, the successor of number 299 is 300. It is as simple as that. Okay. Now, to find the predecessor, we simply subtract 1 from the number. Okay, students. Now, what is how to compare number? Comparison. Okay. Now, for comparison, we have 3 signs. Okay. The first one is less than, greater than or equal to. Okay, students. For comparing two numbers, there 2 cases will come. Suppose if the number of digits are equal, the first case, or the second case is if the number of digits are unequal. For example, 63 and 179. You have to compare these 2 numbers. Okay. So student, in this, how many digits are there? Yes, you are correct. How many digits? 1, 2. 2 digits are there. Okay. And in this, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 digits. So just look at, compare between the number of digits. Which one is greater? This one, no? 3 is greater than 2. So this number is greater. And for that, we need to place this open mouth sign towards the greater number. Okay. This is the first case when the number of digits are unequal. Now the second case when the number of digits are equal. Okay. Now 279 and 253. Now here compare. Number of digits are 3 and here number of digits are 3. So in both the numbers digits are equal. Now in that case you have to compare digits. Means you have to compare the digits. Like this is the ones place, tens place, 100 place. Okay. Ones place, tens place, 100 place. So students, in that case, always start comparing from extreme left side. Extreme left side. Don't get confused because in assigning the place value, we always start from the extreme right side. But when you compare, always start comparing from extreme left side. Okay. Now here, 2 and 2 equal. Now move to the next one. Till we get the result, we have to compare. Okay. 2 and 2 equal, no result. Okay. Again, after 2, which number will come? 7. Tens place. 7. Tens place. 5. So which number is greater? Tens place 7 is greater or tens place 5 is greater? 7 is greater. Again, you are correct. So student, this number is greater. So we have to put this open mouth towards this number. Okay, students. Now this is how we compare. Now students, comparison can take place between 2 numbers. But what will happen if more than 2 number is given to you? Like, for example, 169, 73, 5 and 296. 4 numbers are given. So in the series, these are called the series. In the series, we arrange the numbers in 2 orders. The first one is ascending order. In ascending order means small to big. Ascending order. Okay. Now ascending order. In ascending order, we arrange from small to big. And the second order is descending order. In descending order, we arrange from big to small. Yes, students? Okay. Now I have to arrange how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are there. So I have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So as I explained, in ascending order, the smaller one will come the first place, okay? Now, as I can see, that number of digits are unequal. Yeah? 1, 2, 3. How many digits are there? 3. 1, 2. How many digits are there? 2. How many digits are there? 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits are there? 4. So it is very easy. Okay? Now you have written the number of digits. So which is the smaller one? 1 digit. So it will come first place. Cut it. Okay? Now number of digits 2. So 73 will come second place. Number of digits 3. So 169 will come third place. And 4. 4 digits 1, 2, 9, 6. So this is how you arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay, students? Now the second order is which order? Yes, descending order. In descending order. In descending order, we arrange number from, yes, very good. We arrange number from big to small. Okay. Now here I am giving you one example. Now these are the 4 numbers. Now firstly check the number of digits. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. So in this situation, all the numbers having equal number of digits. So which concept I have to apply? Yes, you are correct. For that, we have to compare from extreme left side or extreme right side. Correct, students. We have to compare from extreme left side. Okay. Now, ones, tens, 100, 1000. I am assigning the place value. Okay, students. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, students. The answer is descending from big to small. So I have to find out which is the large one. Okay. Now we have to compare from extreme left side. So I am comparing. I am start. Okay. 1, 1000 places 1, 1000 places 1, 1000 places 1, 1000 places 1. So no result. Okay. Now move to 100 100 place. 100 places 6, 100 places 6, 100 places 5, 100 places 3. I think these two numbers are out of race now, because here in these two numbers the 100 places 6, okay, which is greater than 5 and greater than 3. So now I have to compare between these two numbers. Which one is greater? Now 100 places 1, sorry, 1000 places 1, 100 places 6. Null, no result. Okay. Now move to the tens place. Tens place is 9, tens place is 5. Yes. Which one is greater? 9 is greater. So this number will come at first place. Now of course this one is in lead, so it will come in second place. Now I have to compare between these two numbers. Again 1000 places 1, 1000 places 1. Again move to 100 1. 100 places 5, 100 places 3. So which one is greater? This one is greater. So it will come at third place and this one come at last. So this is how you arrange these numbers in descending order. Okay, students? Now the last topic is, which is the last one? Suppose the digits is given to you. These are the 4 digits is given to you and you have to form greatest 4-digit number, greatest 4-digit number and smallest 4-digit number. Okay, students? So So for greatest, it is very easy. Just 4-digit numbers. So firstly write the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Just arrange these digits in descending order because you have to frame the greatest, no? So greatest means the first one is 9, the second one is 7, then 1, then 0. Simply arrange the digits in descending order. Here you get. So students, to form the smallest 4-digit number from the given digits. Now students, one question must come in your mind that ma'am, when we form the greatest 4-digit number, we arrange the digits in descending order. So here we are forming the smallest 4-digit number. So we have to arrange the digits in ascending order. Okay, let's do that. Ascending order, okay? Small 0, then 1, then 7, then 9. This is the result only. But a student, tell me, is this number is a 4-digit number? Is this number is a 4-digit number? No. That is not a 4-digit number. Because the students, 0, 9, you can write 9 also. If 0 will come at the first place, then this digit has no significance. Okay, students? So that is why there is one thing which you have to implement. Just write the 0 at second place from the left side. Okay, which is the second place, students? 100th place. Okay. Now arrange rest of the digits in ascending order. Okay, which is the left digits now? 1, 7, 9. So arrange these 3 digits in ascending order. Now 1 come here. This place is already occupied. Now the 7, then 9. This is the correct answer. This is the smallest 4-digit number. Okay student, this is for all for today. Keep smiling and stay safe and healthy. Thank you.